NDDC have not been fair to the Ebema people. Apostle Nnamdi Ijoma is my name. I am the National President of Obakwe Ebema Development Initiative. Today, NDDC has been a problem to the Niger Delta rather than a solution. In Ebema River State, NDDC said they have done 9 contracts. Those 9 contracts, we cannot see them. We have several communities in Ebema River State. We have predominantly Mbede Town, Okwuzi Town, and Aga Town. We have several other communities inside. We have Ebocha 1 and 2. We have some other communities, Ebe, we have Ogada. We have several other communities inside, densely populated. Yet, the entire communities of Ebema River State have only 9 projects recorded in the NDDC Gazette. And those 9 projects ranges from water projects awarded to Will Jackson Nigeria Company Limited in 2002, rehabilitation of water projects in Mbede Town awarded to Habenj Resources Limited in 2012, Okwuzi Ogada Road awarded to Jokal Investment Limited, awarded in 2012. The supervision of that contract awarded to Phoenix Associates in 2012 as well. We also have a road rehabilitation of Mbede Aga Road, 2 major towns in Ebema, awarded to Luz Tobet Nigeria Limited. We have another road awarded to Orbit Marine and Energy Services Limited. And again, we have a rehabilitation contract of Omok Okwuzi Road, the express road linking Rivers and Imo State and Anambra State. The rehabilitation of that road was awarded to Motain Nigeria Limited in 2012 as well. We have 2 transformer contracts that was awarded to Iwuchukwu Nigeria Company and Ando Ventures. NDDC said to have done water scheme in Aga community. These are the contracts that were awarded to Ebema River State. And those projects, only one have been completed. And even that one that has been completed is long overdue for rehabilitation. The rehabilitation work was given to a contractor who purportedly has done the contract. Meanwhile, the citizens of the community did not see Habenj Resources Limited, the contractor that was given the rehabilitation of that water scheme. They never saw Habenj Resources Limited up till today. But in the NDDC Gazette, it is written, it is recorded that Habenj has completed that contract. We have another contract in Okwuzi Town, 2 road contracts that was awarded to Okwuzi. In Okwuzi Town, we have several other communities inside, but 2 road contracts was given by the NDDC all these years, for almost 20 years now, since the creation of NDDC. Okwuzi community inside the Ebema ethnic nationality is home to EOC, the famous Ebocha Oil Center belonging to Nigeria Ajikoyi Company Limited. Okwuzi community is home to over 4 oil wells explored by Nigeria Ajikoyi Company Limited. Okwuzi community is home to oil wells belonging to SPDC/NPDC. Okwuzi community is home to others oil exploration discharge center in the same oil center. Opposite community is home to what we call pipe rack, an oil facility belonging to Nigeria Oil Company Limited. Opposite community is home to Old Base. Opposite community is home to ABB Camp. All of these facilities belong to Nigeria Oil Company Limited. Niger Delta Development Commission that was assigned to develop the Niger Delta, to industrialize the Niger Delta, for such a stakeholder known as Okwuzi Town, encapsulated by several communities inside, has only 2 road contracts since the inception of NDDC. Okwuzi's Okugada Community Road cuts across 3 different bridges. The smallest of the bridge, Jokar Investment Limited, was awarded the road. The supervisor of that contract is Phoenix Associates. Phoenix Associates have failed in his supervisory role on Jokar, because as we speak currently, Jokar have not done 20% of that job since 2012 till now. Jokar have not done 20% of that job. Early last year, 2019, Jokar came, did the construction work of one of the bridges, the smallest of all of the 3 bridges. And while he was constructing it, that bridge collapsed. As we speak, you will see the footages. The bridge is in total rumbles. In total rumbles. It has collapsed. Even before their eyes. Nobody has started using it yet. The road has not even been completed yet. Yet that bridge has collapsed. I wonder the type of integrity that Jokar has as a contractor to do such a major project. And as we speak, that project has been abandoned. We have another project that was awarded to Orbit Marine and Energy in Okwuzi Town. Road construction. Orbit Marine and Energy Services Limited. Orbit Marine have abandoned that road. We saw him. He came early within 2014 to 2015 and started the road to a point and he ran away. Up to today, that road has become a mess, a total mess, because Orbit Marine never did 50% of that contract. And until now, it is said to be ongoing when it has actually been abandoned. Because since 2015 till now, nobody has seen Orbit Marine in Edema. The rehabilitation of the major road awarded by the NDDC to Luz to Bet, Mbede Town to Aga Town, 2 major towns in Edema, River State, awarded to a company called Luz to Bet Limited. Luz to Bet came in because we saw him. We will never deny the realities on ground. We will present them as they are. As you can see the road, this is the road that Luz to Bet said they rehabilitated. It was awarded in 2012, and Luz to Bet came on site and used cement to cover some potholes along the road. While we expected that Luz to Bet will overlay the road with asphalt, will overlay the entire road as the culture of NDDC road rehabilitation is. Overlaying of an existing road. Luz to Bet never overlaid the existing Mbede Aga Town road. It was never overlaid. There was no asphalt dropped on any part of that road. Instead, Luz to Bet used cement to patch some of the potholes along that line and they ran away. Today, that project is in the NDDC Gazette completed. We don't know where it is completed. As you can see the road, a road that if it were to be asphalted, overlaid in 2012, come 2013, by now this road will not be as dilapidated as it is currently. We just took a footage of just a few areas of that road because it is a long road. We are calling on the audit committee to call Luz to Bet to come back to site. People should begin to be held responsible for their actions, particularly as it concerns and as it affects a whole community or a whole ethnic kingdom. All of the contracts which I have outlined from the beginning All of them, none of them have been completed except one. Some of them we don't know where they are, except one. And that one that has been completed was awarded in 2002, completed just a few years after, and it was due for revamping stroke rehabilitation in 2012. It was awarded to a company called Habenj Resources Limited. In 2012, the rehabilitation of Ano Water Scheme now relocated to Mbede community in Edema, Onega River State. That project has been adjudged by the NDC to be completed. Meanwhile, Mbede community never saw Habenj. We don't know who he is. We don't know who the contractor is because Habenj Resources Limited never came to Edema to rehabilitate the town water scheme. Now, having said this, you have seen the resume of Edema Kingdom in River State. How many ethnic kingdoms has the type of resume that we have? Ajib alone, Ajib as a multinational alone has over 40 companies working inside Ajib. And all of them, they use our facility. All of them are working in our facility. The 90% of the workforce of such companies are from strange lands. 90% of them. In our place here, in Edema here, we are looking around to see the contracts, the developmental projects that Ajib and his subsidiaries are doing in Edema here. We have not seen. As we speak, we are going to present a total demography, a total map, a total picture of what Edema is, so that let us see where Ajib is helping. Let us see where NPDC is helping. Let us see where NDDC is helping, where SPDC, where Chevron, where ADAX is helping Edema, where the government is helping Edema. When all of the money that this nation is sharing, part of it, a large chunk of it comes from this place. And as we speak, this is just the beginning of this type of issues. We will raise issues, we will raise dust in the social media, in the global media. We are calling on the international community to come into this matter. We are calling on the government of Nigeria to come into this matter so that Edema will get a fair share of what they are giving to this nation. Edema deserves a unilateral development, a collective, a holistic development. Nobody should play politics again with our development. We are not interested in individual community contracts anymore. If you